Guys, you won't believe it. I think this is the first TOWS analysis template in Notion. At least I couldn't find any. If you find any, feel free to share. I would love to get inspired, but I couldn't find even one TOWS analysis template. I found many SWOT analysis, but anyways, this is a TOWS analysis template plus SWOT in Notion. And I made it because I was doing my marketing strategy for Magic Design, and I always do a SWOT analysis and TOWS analysis as part of the marketing strategy to see if my tactics align with our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and that I'm not neglecting them, that I'm aware of them, and building my strategy on top of it. So I guess that's why you're here as well, because you've heard about a SWOT analysis. A TOWS analysis is basically an extended version of that, and it's much more actionable. I think doing a SWOT can be, maybe it's a hot take, it can be just a way to procrastinate, because you see the strengths, the weaknesses, the opportunities, the threats, but what do you do with this information? That is what is important. And a TOWS analysis lets you actually come up with what you can do to leverage that. So this is a template. I'm going to walk you through it. We have the SWOT. We start with the SWOT, but then we go to the TOWS analysis. On the left, we have the strengths. Here are some guiding questions that you can answer to come up with the strengths that you can add to this database. This is just an example of a TOWS analysis for an e-commerce brand. It's a fictional brand. For Magic Design, of course, I did a more thorough page. So this is just an example. Keep that in mind. But the strengths are here, the weaknesses are here, and you can just add them by clicking here and removing. The threads, we always have the guiding questions here as well. And then this is a part where you actually have to think much more. And that's why I wrote now think. This is what TOWS is. So first, you need to see what strategies can use our strengths to capitalize on the opportunities. So you have the strengths and the opportunities, and then you see, okay, what can I come up with that leverages that? Same with weaknesses, opportunities. What are the strategies that address the weaknesses by taking advantage of the opportunities? And then weaknesses, threats is what are the strategies that aim at reducing the weaknesses and avoiding threats. I also have this ChatGPT analysis prompt for you if you want to get some inspiration, because I know sometimes we get stuck. You know the brand better than ChatGPT does. At least for now, that's the case. And it's not super easy to make ChatGPT answer insanely well unless you're a prompting genius. So do think for yourself as well. Here you have a database where you can fill out these like strengths, opportunities, strategies, weaknesses, opportunities, weaknesses, threats, and there's a master view as well. You can also add a type of strategies or like type of points that you added. So for example, let's say I have use proprietary technology to develop an innovative shopping experience to meet market trends. And that could be like a feature request or idea. I also have like pain point, resource, content idea, and critical issue. For example, if you notice there is a gap in your product offering, that might be a critical issue. I think it's really helpful to tag it and then address those critical issues or pain points later on. On the bottom here, at the last part of this template, we have, again, the SWOT, just a different view of the SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and the TOWS as well. So these are SOST, WO, and WT. So this view can also help you fill out this one, just because it might be easier. I kind of looked at both when I was doing mine. So I looked at this one, but then I also looked at this one, which is kind of more compact, because you have to base your TOWS analysis on the SWOT analysis. So I hope this helps you having two different views. Yeah, and that is the template. When you're ready to fill out your own TOWS and SWOT analysis, then you can just move this page to, I don't know, your private pages or to your marketing and strategy docs. If you have a marketing dashboard or marketing team dashboard, you can move it there and then just click in and you can add your own weaknesses, strengths, opportunities, threats, and etc. I hope this helps and I wish you lots of luck, lots of success. And let me know what you think. Connect with me on LinkedIn and ask me questions if you have any questions. I would love to help. Bye.